Hi everyone. Let's just check whether you guys can hear me so far. Okay. Alright, I think you guys can hear me. Let's just wait for like 1 minute. Okay, I will start the section shortly. So today while we're waiting, I'm just want to share with you guys about gold trading strategy, which is I personally use this strategy to trade. Okay, I just want to keep it simple, but shall we just wait for 1 minute for everyone to tune in? Okay. By the way, if you have any question, you can just ask me anytime. All right. Hey, AJ, nice to see you here. How are you doing so far? Nice to see you every time I do the webinars. Welcome everyone. Okay, just before I start the webinar, shall we just look at the calendars for today? Okay, so later, this is the timing. I just choose the UTC, so you can just you know, choose the time zone according where you live. All right, but now just keep at UTC. Okay, so just now there is a news release for the USD which is just 0% for the CPI. Later at 2 p.m. UTC time, they're gonna be PMI. Okay, tomorrow, okay, let's just filter those high impact news, which is the red box. Okay, so tomorrow, which is Wednesday, we're gonna have GDP for the Aussie dollar, CAD at 11:45 UTC time. Okay, and 2 p.m. for USD job opening, and 2:30 p.m. we have a CAD, okay, like Canadian dollars. Thursday, you guys need to take note of Aussie dollar. Okay, and we have non-farm employment, which is on our Thursday, unemployment claim as well, and PMI. And Friday we have non-farm payroll. Okay, so I think from today onward we're gonna have a high impact news for USD dollars. Okay, all right, again, welcome everyone to the IC market webinar. So today's topic is about gold trading strategy, which I personally use this strategy to trade. Okay, and the disclaimer as usual, guys, remember that everything in this video is educational in nature. Okay, nothing should be construed as investment or trade advice. If you guys want to trade, please do your own due diligence before you guys trade. Okay, always I just want to highlight over here. Okay, risk warning: trading forex and CFD carry significant risk to your capital, and it may not suitable for all investors. So please come and join the webinar and learn together. Okay, so far I'm doing well. Okay, but recently I just stay away from gold because gold is like very volatile for the past 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, because if you look at gold and dollar index, I think recently they have like positive correlation, which is usually they have negative correlation. That's why for past few weeks I kind of like stay away from gold. Okay, but let me just move here. Okay, so the topic I'm gonna just want to cover what is gold trading strategy indicator that I'm personally using. Okay, you can combine with those indicator, which I will show you guys how to use it, and entry and exit rules. Okay, just want a quick one on the slide. Again, some of you guys usually know me. My name is Peggy. Okay, I'm an investment analyst and proprietary trader as well. Okay, if you want to know about prop firm, you may just Google it. Alright, so basically you need to pass all the challenge. Okay, and then they will give you the capital to manage, and then they're going to be the profit split like 80%, which is you keep it, and then they will keep 20%. Okay, okay, before I go to the chart, let's just have a quick look on what is gold trading strategy. Okay, so basically some of you guys already know that gold trading strategy is involved in method and technical for buying and selling. okay, and we trade goal to maximize the profit and manage risk, right? Those strategy can be based on technical analysis, fundamental, or combine of both, which is if you are technical persons, I think some of the traders, they have quite wrong mindset that they say that okay, they are more to technical, so they don't care about fundamental, which is wrong. If you trade gold, you need to combine both because it's very important. Gold is very volatile because of the news, especially those like non-farm payroll. Okay, so you need to combine both if you trade gold, and you need to know how to look at dollar index as well, because 90 to 95% they are positive correlation, they are negative correlation. Okay, gold is the goal is to capitalize on gold price movement due to various factors like economic condition, geopolitical event, and market sentiment. So all this you need to know. Okay, and technical analysis technique for gold trading, I just keep it simple. For gold, right, you need to know how to look at the chart pattern, because chart pattern like head and shoulder or double top or double bottom in the lower time frame, that is for your confirmation to enter either buy or sell. Okay, the indicator that you can use for gold, I highly recommend you to use the RSI. I personally use RSI to identify the divergence, whether bearish or bullish, if price reach at the key level. You can use the RSI to identify the divergence, but some of the traders, they either use MACD or they use a stochastic. But why I use the RSI? Because I use the RSI at default number, which is 14. But stochastic, a lot of the trader, they will use like different number, which I will show you guys later. Or you can use like MACD to like generate buy or sell to confirm the trading decision. But I did not use MACD. Okay, only RSI that I use. Okay, let's just look at our chart, how to trade gold. Okay, my technique is very simple. Okay, the EMA that I sometimes are using will be EMA 200 and EMA 100. Okay, again, if you want to trade gold, first you need to ask yourself whether you are a scalper or you are swing trader or you are a day trader. Okay, highly recommend that you look either H1 or H4 to identify the key level. Okay, basically what I trade gold here, let's say I just identify this my key level, I short go for scalping. Okay, when price approach at the first resistance level, okay, I will use Fibonacci as well. You can go to the lower time frame. Where is your confirmation? Even though you identified it is your first resistance level, let me pull out my EMA. Okay, again, EMA, okay, can act as support and resistance. In this case, if you were to switch to H1 time frame, you will see that gold is okay, this one I'm using the IC market chart. Okay, so if you use different broker, the chart, it may look different. Okay, if you switch to H1 time frame, you will see that price, okay, stop at EMA 100, which is my EMA 100, which is 100 green color, and EMA 200, which is blue, meaning that somewhere around EMA right here is close to my first resistance, which is H4. Okay, if you want to wait for confirmation for scalping, what you will see here in H1 time, in M5, let me pull out my RSI. Okay, the RSI, you can change the setting. The setting that I'm using is the same, it's 14, but those like the line I just untick, I just keep like RSI, and I use the overbought and oversold right here. Okay, let's say price is approach or closing to first resistance, which is H4. Okay, okay, this is my H4 resistance level. Okay, then over here, what you can see, there is an overbought. Okay, once price at the key level, you can see there will be rejection right here. You can see the rejection right here, so you can short at this level. Where is your confirmation? You need to know how to list the price action as well. Rejection. This is M5, right? Close with bearish engulfing candle. You wait for price to pull back to, what is this one? Either you call bearish order block or supply zone in the lower time frame. Okay, you can see that one price. Okay, can you see that pull back? You short, right? You short here. You know why price is reversed from this level? Either you say that, okay, because in the lower time frame here have what? Demand, right? But in this one you want to go to M1. Okay, price somehow is slightly go, I don't want to teach you guys M1. Okay, let's just say that, okay, here price bounce off because there is a demand zone here. Okay, hidden base here, price bounce off, but again they cannot go above our resistance level. You go to M15, you can see that in M15 price also have rejection, belly engulfing, so you can short from this level, right? And M15 price stop from here because of this one is acting at the support level. If you want to like scalping gold, okay, if you want to short here or here, you can close here, you can like, you know, get like 30 pip for gold, right? From here to here, like here, like sorry, here I do trade gold just now, but I already closed with 30 pip. Okay, so from here if you were to wait, right, at least 30 pip, or this one for like 200 point or 25 pip for gold, right? This is like how you trade gold. You need to identify the key level. You can use, or you can like practice, or you know, use EMA 200 and 100 to trade gold in the lower time frame, meaning that why we buy from this level. If you want to go to H4 time frame, right, this is our like support. We seem like, okay, if price come to like this level at 24.89, that will be the support level for gold because there is a EMA 100 here. Price haven't touched. Okay, if price come or touching for the first time, you can buy up. Okay, it will be very effective if you play for the first time when the price come and touch and go. Okay, if price come to touch EMA again, highly they will break below. Okay, we will play when price touch either EMA 100 or 200 in the higher time frame sheet, H1 or H4, even daily for the first time. You can buy straight away, no need to wait for confirmation, unless there is like big boy in the market, they just sell boom 3 to 2000 pip, 300 and 400 pip. Sometimes there will be something like that, meaning that they break below all the EMA 200 in H4 time frame. I think that will be last month if I'm not wrong. Okay, but it's very rare because usually 90 to 95% if price come and touch EMA for the first time, you can just buy. Okay, in this case, no need to wait for confirmation. Now, this is my first resistance in H4. Okay, I still keep my 38.2 and Fibonacci retracement because price cannot close above, with the body cannot close above this level, which is 25.04. Okay, so I short gold. Okay, but I already closed it because I have the webinar. But my target for gold at first resistance for the scalping, they're gonna be 2000, like somewhere here, 2000 2502 to 2500. They're gonna be the first profit. Price still falling. Okay, you can see that price come. You have to keep in mind that price come from our first resistance, which is H4 time frame. If you always look at the lower time frame, you might you may not have the confidence to hold the goal, because if you always look at H1, M1 or M5, because M1 or M5 is like, you know, they can just bounce up in the lower time frame. So if you want to like can hold gold for at least 100 pip, you need to look for the higher time frame. Don't look at M5, but I use M5 or M15 to execute my trade and for scalping. Okay, Oh, that would be divergent as well. Let me some of you guys asked me the question. Okay, hello from Brazil. Okay, hello from Singapore. Okay, let me pull out the right side. You can see the price already over bought, right? Okay, I highly recommend you to keep like overbought and oversold, which is the color here. Okay, over here, if you want to pay like you buy at the oversold and you sell at the overbought, you can, but price have to be at the key resistance level. Okay, move on. And one thing is that gold, it works well with the bearish or bullish order block, meaning that if price come for the first time here in the M15 time frame, you have what here? What do you call here? Bearish order block or bearish engulfing candle, meaning that we will play only for the first time if price come to the zone. Then you're gonna short at this level because bullish or bearish order block, there will be remaining order. Okay, so we will play here. One price come for the first time. If price come back again in the zone, I'm not gonna buy. If you want to play like bearish order block, but 90 to 95% price will revert from this level because usually bearish or bullish order block will occur where at the support or resistance level. Okay, so in this case, you may highlight. You can go and practice and then you can highlight the level. That one. Okay, this one in the lower time frame because we want to short, right? Or you want to wait for confirmation. Where is it? Okay. Do I highlight just now here? Here. Okay. This level. Green. Sorry, is the but it OB here. If price come in the M15, usually you can scalping gold at least 30 to 50 pip for gold. Okay, now gold is falling at least where from 25.06 to 25.02, and then it's bounce off. Why it bounce off from here? Because this is pullback support in the M15 time frame, right? Definitely it's just bounce off a little bit here, but eventually they will continue to go down, follow the higher time frame. Okay, like they will break, but it will take time. You can see that one price come here, bounce off. Okay, cannot go back or close above resistance level and continue to fall to falling because they follow the higher time frame. Okay, this is how you go to the lower time frame to execute the trade. And you can see that this is what EMA 200 for the first time you can short, right? Why? Within our EMA 200 is a bearish order block, where bearish order block here in M15, right? You can see that come for the first time you can sell, right? You sell here, you sell, you already see that M5 also have confirmation. Okay, that's why we short here. You TP, you short here, you can TP here for the pullback support level, but it will break. Okay, if you don't know how to hold, or you think that okay, you happy with scalping strategy here, you can just close, but price may break, it might stop here, and then it will bounce off, like it might come here, bounce off, and then continue to go down. At least in M15, this is gonna be support level for M15. Okay, I will share the technique for you guys if you want to scalping in M5. Okay, if you guys confused, you can let me know as well. Let's say price has rejection over here in H4 time frame, right? You go to M5 to wait for buy. How you going to buy? One price, okay, break price, okay, have to go break above to this 2 MA, you wait for price to bounce and then you buy. Okay, you need to wait for price to break, because if you want to look at those 2 EMA, right, in over here, one price close below, I mean one price is below those two EMA, now it's acting at the resistance level. So meaning that if you were to short here, okay, price break, you short, maybe you think that okay, this is your neckline, right? Price pull back to the neckline, this is your M pattern, price pull back here, and price falling, break below EMA 100 and 200, you wait for price to pull back, because in this case they also acting at the resistance level, and then you short. Okay, you short and then you hold. The TP, I don't have the fixed TP. Okay, it's depend on your lot size, it's depend on your account size as well. If you're happy with the TP, you can just close it, or you can just use trailing stop loss. And in head 4, okay, over here I show you guys here, like you will see that, oh, it seems like in head 4 time frame, okay, price make a rejection. Okay, you will wait for price, okay, either to go above, meaning that in the lower time frame price need to break above EMA 100 and 200 in M5, you wait for price to pull back and then you hold. This is how I scalping go in M5, which is I might buy here, I wait for price to pull back at the EMA either here, and then I have another buy entry, and then I hold. Okay, hold to where another before just next resistance level. Okay, but we will use for the first time for the EMA if you want to trade. Okay, meaning that if price come back here again, are you going to buy? No, to me I won't buy, because price come from my resistance in head 4 time frame. Okay, so if price come here, you're gonna buy up, to me I won't, because I already have sale here, I happy with the profit, and then I just exit, or I just wait for another either H1 or H4 to close, and then I will just find the entry again, right? Okay, you will look here, there will be the extension as well, you can see that, right guys? Just use whatever we have learned. Okay, what you can see that our valid order block in M15, okay, in M30 here is a EMA 200, but when you switch to H1 you'll be EMA 100, which is in H1. Okay, within or close with our valid order block in M15 and the EMA 200 100 in H1, there will be extension as well. You can see that extension 127.2, there will be extension, meaning that it's good to, it's safe to short from this level, right? You can see how many confirmation we have. We have extension, we have a valid order block, we have EMA 100. If you want to use the EMA M30, there will be EMA 200 right here. Okay, and the RSI somehow it's already at over bought over here. In the lower time frame, it very clear that clearly that there's a overbought as well. So M15 overbought, M30 also overbought, has EMA 200. We have extension, we have valid order block in M15, and then you short. Okay, do we have any question? Okay, let me explain. Some of you guys might be confused. Okay, first, I don't pull out EMA first, and it's very, I just feel it's very important for the trader to know how to identify the key level. You need to identify the key level on a higher time frame. Your first resistance right here, you should know, you must know how to use, I don't say you should, you must know how to use the Fibonacci. Okay, if you miss Fibonacci, you miss a lot of the opportunity in trading forex, because the Fibonacci is very the magic number. Like, can I just say that? Okay, this is my second resistance. Okay, once you identify the key level for gold or any pair, it works. You can apply in any major pair as well. Identify the key level, then you pull out your Fibonacci. you can see that first resistance and my first resistance and second resistance line up or close with my 38.2% and 61.8%. This is how you plan your trade setup. Okay, I want to pull out my EMA. I just want to see, oh, below here, let's just say I identify this my support level, or if I want to just capture this week, this gonna be right here. This gonna be my support level, but somehow above here, I might just want to like keep it like that, and I just say that this is my intermediate support, like this week and this week, which is I can do like that because oh, it seems like there is a EMA 100 right here in H4 time frame. Okay, once price come to the key level, okay, I will go the okay. When I go to the lower time frame in H1, there is a EMA 100 right here, so I waiting to short somewhere within this zone. Okay, this zone, which is this zone. Now I go to the lower time frame to wait for confirmation. M15 close with bearish engulfing candle, or you can identify as bearish order block or whatever you call. Okay, in H1 in M15 also have the rejection right here. It's good to short. Okay, we pull out the RSI even though there is no divergence here, but price already overbought, right? Also at overbought as well. And when price break above this high, this one I just said identify at the resistance in the lower time frame. Price break above, I want to use the extension. I want to see whether like my first resistance it line up or close with any extension, and then you can see that okay, price is close with my extension, which is 127 right here, and above I will just keep 161.8, which is another extension right there, meaning that if price go all the way right here, this is gonna be my another sell entry right there. Okay, which is from 25.10 to 25.13. It's about 30 pip from the like from this one to this one, another sell zone, but price is reverse or react off right here, and then you can short for the first time. I always say that if you want to trade with the EMA, you need to pray when price come and touch for the first time. Okay, when price is go back again, we're not going to trade because it's it likely will break above and go to next resistance level. Okay, and now it's reversed already, and I want to target for this sell where at least 2,500, which is should be reaching very soon. It's about 9 pip more. Okay, I think they will, which is where there was somewhere around here. It will bounce in the lower time frame. Let me just wait and see. Okay, you can see that right in the lower time frame. If you don't short right now, I mean like over here, confirmation where bounce off, continue to fall. Why? Because this one is the lower time frame M5 bounce off and continue, because this is the resistance level in the M15, or you wait for price to pull back. This is called supply zone in M5. Okay, and now let's just wait to see that price will bounce off from this level. Okay, once for the first time, okay, you can go and try. If price break, price pull back, you're gonna short based on the lower time frame. Okay, you need to wait for price to break and pull back at EMA 100 and 200 in M5, and then you short for the first time. Let's just see whether price will fall below this level. Let's just see. It's now falling at least 60 pip from the high, which is 25.06, falling. If come to this level, that's gonna be 60 pip for gold. falling already. Let's just wait and see. And somehow EMA right now is acting as a support level, because break above, pull back, it becomes support. And somehow this is a overlap support level, okay, in M5 somewhere here, which is at 2500. Let's just see. Okay, now H1 close. Go to the H1. Okay, H1 is closing. Rejection. Now it's break below the lower time frame support. Okay, we don't keep it. We can just break below. Okay, doesn't matter. I do to wait at this level, which is M5 right here. If you listen for the first time, you might get confused, because it needs time for you to practice. Okay, because but if you have the experience, you have been trading for a few years, okay, you will understand what I'm talking about. Because as of the trader, you should know how to look at multiple time frame. Always, okay, I always refer to the higher time frame. Sometimes I just want to look at daily, like daily time frame. I want to see that like yesterday price is closing with what? Price closing with red candle, okay, and then this is a belly engulfing. So today I will buy at sale, meaning that if I don't buy out, I just want to wait for sale go, like today. But where is my sale entry? And then this is my sale entry in H1 in H4 time frame. So I may not buy up here. That is okay. Okay, I don't feel regret because I buy at sale, so I just wait for sale. But if you are expert, you know how to trade, you buy, you know where to close, and then you open sale order. Okay. For the new trader, I recommend you guys to just look for one direction. Either you want to wait for buy, and then you wait for buy. If you want to wait for sale, you just wait for sale. But if you already have experience, you can buy, close, and then you open sale. Okay, let's just wait here. It will take time. Anyone short go from this level at like 2504 or 2505? Any one of you guys trade or short go from here? Okay, for gold, right, there is many divergence for you to trade. You want to trade, refer to divergence. While waiting for gold to come at like this level, I will show you the divergence right here. You can short here because there is a bearish divergence versus the I side. Okay, you can short. Why you short from this level? Either you identify your bearish order block, okay, come for the first time, come back again. I'm not gonna identify this as my bearish order block, but I will just put here the body and the wick, and then I will just say that okay, this is my first resistance. Okay, and then you can see the price is make a higher high, indicator is make a lower high. There's a bearish divergence right here. This one also, if price go to the key level, there is a bearish divergence versus the I side. Okay, lower time frame also have. All right, this is another one, all time high. Okay, overbought, and then divergence here. There's a divergence, this bullish divergence. Okay, yeah, this bearish. Let me just change to red. If you have time, you can just go and look for the divergence. I will tell you like 95%. If you identify the key level correctly, okay, you will see the divergence. Now go already come to 2005. Go to here. Okay, now coming. Okay, already at 2005 is right here. The wick. Okay, the TP. Okay, you just put here the number right here. Now price come. You can see that very strong because this resistance level in H4. If you were to ask me, am I buying here? No. Price might bounce for a few pips and then might break. You can see the I side can going down even more. You can see that it's going to break. Okay, you can see the M15. You can see the I side. I think they might capture somewhere around this support level. Any one shot go. This is a support level in in M15. You see, they're going to break like that. You're not gonna buy, okay? But you will see that the rejection right here. Okay, TP at 2,500. That's gonna be TP1. You can see you go to the lower time frame. How you going to find the entry? For sale, price break, you wait here, meaning you have for price to pull to this level. You see bounce up already, right? You see that? They're gonna short. If they don't pull here, you wait first, meaning that if they don't pull to about 25.02 to 25.03, you just need to wait for price to break below 2,500 and wait for pullback, and then you're gonna buy and you're gonna sell. Which is what is this one? This what is this one in the lower time frame? This is your pullback resistance in M5, right? Which is it's close or close to EMA 100 in M1. You can see the rejection already rejected. Some of the trader, they might just here, they will have like multiple order right here. Boom, boom, boom. Price reverse 220 pip or 15 pip, they might close. Okay, you can see that the rejection.มีคนไทยเข้ามาด้วยสวัสดีค่ะเห็นไหมเห็นไหมyou can see that now is bounce off how many? At least 20 pip, right? So now we will wait for price to pull back here, somewhere around here, and they're gonna short. You target where? At least this level in M15, somewhere around here. Okay, or you can just aim like for scalping like 30 pip to 50 pip, or at least 25 pip. And then you can see that just now price bounce off from 20, let's just say 24.99. Now it's at 15 pip maybe. In the lower time frame, how it look like. Now in M1, okay, now I bring you to M1. Any one of you guys look at M1 before? Okay, M1 is really volatile, okay, like very like price move very swing here. We're gonna wait where if price pull here, you can short. Somewhere here, you have to be patient. You see the price will pull up or pull back here. Now rejected. If don't pull up here, that doesn't matter because there will be strong selling right there from the first resistance in H4. I will just have to put here, so at least you guys know that this is H4. This is resistance, which is M5. Okay.มีค่ะ แต่ว่าไม่บอกนะ sorry guys, there will be some Thai attendees as well. Okay, right now Do you think that price is bounced off from this level? You have to wait. Okay, let's say if they don't pull back in the lower time frame, you need to wait for price to break, where break below EMA, which is this one. You need to wait for price to break and pull back, and then you're gonna sell. That will be two scenario. Is that price pull back here, like from here, pull back here, and then you short. Or if price break below, which is 2500, you wait for price to pull back and then you short. This zone is gonna be where 2501 to 2004. Like just, you can see the pull back already. Okay, 2502. No, just put like 01 to 2505. Let's just say, okay, like 30 pip around here. They may not pull. I think they might want to break. Just wait. If they don't pull here, it's okay. Let's go back and look at dollar. What is our dollar? Like I mentioned, you need to know how to look at the dollar index as well. Okay, you can see that price is for the dollar index, I got kind of like target here, meaning that price should go all the way up here, which is I think 61.8% fifth level. So that's gonna be my first resistance. Very nice right there. And price is just ranging here. Now it's touching EMA 100, which is green color. You can just see kind of like stop right there, or maybe just waiting for New York section. Okay, but this is gonna be my first resistance. Have 61.8% fifth level, which is our golden level, right, for retracement, and it's gonna be second resistance. Okay, so meaning that dollar can rise more. This is pullback support, right? Now they making a down theory, or like they make a lower equal low here, lower higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and continue to go up. Target there, meaning that if dollar is rising, gold will be falling. Okay, EU will be falling as well, GU will be falling. Go back to gold. This is how it look like in H1. Go to M5. They're going to break, meaning that price may not pull back to this one. That is okay. Okay, you need to wait for price to pull. They don't pull back here. I remove this one. Is there any like any entry for us to, any like space for us to squeeze the entry, or like only this how many price like bounce from this level? But we're not going to buy from this level, right? Just now I already mentioned, because price is come from our H4 resistance level. That's why you can see that price just bounce up a little bit, okay, and then continue to bearish. I go to M15. Okay, let's say if I were to identify this, let me see if I can. 61.8, that will be 51 right here, meaning that this might be like a support level, lower time frame. Very strong sell. You want to see like that, right? We're not going to buy. Okay, we're not going to buy because why? In the lower time frame, price is just reverse just a little bit, meaning that you know that it's really strong selling already. We're not going to buy here. You can see that lower time frame bounce, and then you can see red continue selling. Now M15, even though there is a 50% fee, but where is our buy? I'm waiting at this level. Let's just say 24.96. You will see the rejection. Bounce off already. Okay. Now we wait for price to pull back here. Sell. Okay, this is our sell entry. Divergence in lower in M1, you know, in M1 here. Okay, so if you want to sell at 2,500, which is somewhere is around this level, and again if you sell here, price might go up to this level. Okay, you have to wait. This is sell zone, and I will tell you that if you look at EMA in the lower time frame, right now price is on uptrend, like right here. You can see that the EMA is like all the way up, but one price is changing trend from bearish to bullish. You will see that price is like slowly to curve down here. Then you should know that, oh, from uptrend now it's changing to downtrend, or now it's from bullish to bearish already. And you can see that it's continue to fall, meaning that you might need to wait for H1 to close. Let's say you can see that very strong selling. Okay, we already have a good time here. If you were to sell, you can hold. Okay, again we're going to buy. I will wait here. I'm going to wait for the buy right now. I'm waiting to price to falling more. This is my buy entry right here, which is 24.96. This level. This one remove. I want to buy here. Okay, haven't come yet. This is the support level, right? This is the support level, but we're not going to buy now. Why? You go to the lower time frame, there is no rejection. If price selling like that, right, we gonna cancel. Okay, because you know that gold is really volatile, right? Then you will cancel. Then you will see that, okay, it seems like they're going to break below this support level. Now we're going to sell, right? Wait for price to pull here. We sell, which is now from the support it become the resistance level. If you were to sell right here, this is gonna be your TP, but price is falling to at least 24.95 to 24.96. We're gonna buy up here. Our TP is gonna be 24.99, just slightly before that. For scalping, okay, for scalping. Do you think they're going to bounce from this level? Okay, any one of you guys have a question? You can try this strategy which is with your real account, but you just put like 0.01 to test the strategies. Okay, don't overtrade. You can just put like 0.01, 0.02, just 1 or 2 order, and then you see nothing move here. Wow, now it's like almost 100 pip from the above here to down here, almost 100 pip for gold within like 1 hour plus. Yeah, be patient. I'll do wait here, target here. Now this one, yeah, I'll remove because price is not going up. But again, this is our resistance level, right? You see that first resistance is hit 4. Now we want to like wait for price to pull back in the lower time frame, and then we want to short. But it seems like they haven't pulled back to this level. Okay, now they break below. We don't keep 50, we just keep 61.8. Falling, very strong sell. M15, M5. Look at every time frame. It's not good for us to like buy because there is no confirmation. You can see that's how I say that, right? Price can falling even more. It can still falling more. Should be all the way here. This is the if you were to put it the wick, will be really big zone right here. Now price is stopped where at the 61.8% fib, but we don't have any rejection in the lower time frame yet. The first entry for buy, I haven't buy yet. Okay, this is the 61.8% fib level. Okay, let's, okay, you don't follow me. I just put 0.01 just to buy for scalping. Okay, put 0.01 to test out because this is the zone. This is the zone for you to buy. There is no confirmation. Price just come in the zone only in the lower time frame. Okay, this is like in M5. There's no green, no green. CSD GDP no came sometime back. That's why strong sell. Ah, yeah, selling off. Any one of you guys trade yen, USD, JPY, EUR, JPY, and GBP, JPY. So I think they're selling off yen. Okay, I think bank intervened again. Okay, I buy, but where is my TP? I just want to aim for a few pips. I adjust my TP, which is I just want like 30 pip. That will be 1499. Let's just see because it's a big zone. Don't follow me. Our zone is right here until 24.92 or 94. Okay, I will adjust my TP. You just manage your risk. Like you want to follow like other people, right? You don't blame when they hit stop loss because you need to control yourself. Okay, we just want to test out the strategy. You can use that as well. Just put 0.01. Okay, don't over trade, and then just hold, test out the strategy. Don't test the strategy on a demo account because the demo account is not involve your emotion. So either you hit stop loss or hit TP, you don't have emotion involved, so you don't feel anything. But if you were to trade on the real account, and then you will feel it like when it hits stop loss or when it hits TP. Okay, but just test with smaller lot size like 0.01. That's the ideal to trade. Okay, wait, just wait. You might think that this is a big zone, but actually it's not. Okay, this is just falling like 10 pip only. Okay, if you put like 0.01, you only lose like $1 or $2 from the entry from like 24.96. Okay, but I say this is the zone. Okay, but if you all trade and then yeah, you have any question so far? Any question? Okay, this is how H1 look like, and this is the zone. Okay, this is the zone, the wick and the wick. Okay, either you wait for H1 to close. Okay, if the H1 to close with the bearish, right? I think later tonight we have the high impact news. Either it's just a sideways in the lower time frame, or Friday, which is non-farm payroll, and then you will see, because gold is just a sideways. Okay, then now they kind of like eventually they like pull back to the resistance here, and then they might want to continue to fall. Okay, this strategy we can use every time frame. If you know how to look, yes. Okay, if you were to just refer to EMA 100 and 200, mostly we will use like M5, M15, like I just mentioned. If price come to touch those EMA either 100 or 200 for the first time, either you can buy and sell straight away. You don't need to wait for confirmation. But it's really rare that if price touch for the first time at EMA 200 right here in H4 and price break, there will be 1 or 2 times that I see, which is for the price just break, which is, I can't remember, but recently that gold is falling like 400 to 500 pip. It's just in during the New York section, which is break away EMA 200 in H4 time frame. That will be 1 or 2 times that I saw. Okay, that very rare, but if price come to touch for the first time, doesn't mean I have to be exact. Sometimes it's close, sometimes it might just pull back a little bit. Okay, you can just have the buy right here. You can just test the strategy by using the small lot size, and then once you have the confidence, and then you can increase your lot size as well. Okay, I can say that because I test out the strategies already. But for scalping nowadays, I don't really do scalping anymore because it requires a lot of time, and then I'm working full time. So scalping is may not suitable for me anymore. That's why I don't really trade on M5 or M15 unless if I have time and then I just want to scalping gold. Okay, and I will use this strategy, or I just wait for price either break. Okay, let's say if H1 close with bearish, which is red candle, and then okay, I will wait for M5 either price pull back to the EMA to pull back, and then I short, meaning a pull back here, gonna short, which is they don't pull back, so you got to wait. Now if price close with price action in M15 is next candle, you buy. Okay, you can see that we buy here. I still hold my buy position. Okay, my target just slightly before 2005. I put my TP at 24.99. Okay, so about 30 pip. I still have my my buy entry. I have my 3 order right here, but very small lot size, because if price falling, I still can hold. Okay, let's see. H1 have a close. Oh, bearish. Oh, bearish. Okay, which is now you just wait for you wait for price to pull back. Okay, at like at least 20 at 2,500 or 24.99, somewhere around there, and then you short go. Now it's at like my buy entry right here. It might break below, so you need to know where you put your stop loss. All right. Any question? Last question before I end the webinars. No question. Okay. Okay, let's just monitor this level. Okay, if you guys don't have any question, I think I'm going to end the webinar. Last question, no more. Okay, I will see you guys again on next Tuesday. So basically you will see me like every Tuesday. Monday is going to be my colleague, right? You will see either Keaton or other people, but most of the time you will see me on Tuesday. Okay, now if you buy here, like I have the buy order here, you might have stop loss. Where your stop loss? Either you put below this week, like below 24.90. Okay, that about 50 to 60p for your stop loss. Okay, but if you say that wow, your stop loss is so far, meaning that you overtrade. Okay, if you overtrade and then let's say if you buy gold now and then you feel like it's going to hit stop loss, or why it's not reversed from here, meaning that you are overtrade. Okay, if you're not overtrade, you'll be like never mind, if price falling I still can hold because I'm not overtrade. I put my lot size is quite small. Okay, so now like I just mentioned, if this candle ending with either price action or the wick and then the green color here, okay, the next candle you can buy. Okay, you can see that it's already oversold here. Okay, can see that. I think it's good to buy. Okay, because this might see like in H1 time frame. Okay, for your buy position, okay, TP just put like 24.99 somewhere around there, but it probably revert all the way. Okay, hit the stop loss, that is okay, it's part of your trading. Okay, alright guys, thank you so much for your time. I will see you guys again in the next webinar. Alright, happy trading and take care. This week we have non-farm payroll. Okay, bye guys.